birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. How old are you?
29.
Hello, we're here at Cologne Cathedral. Hi, Grazie. Hello, guys.
Hi! Hello there! Oh, dude!
Ik heb inderdaad zo'n tussentijdje nodig.
Hello guys, nandito po kami ngayon sa German Cemetery. So peaceful. Hi, I'm here in Prague, Czech Republic. It's a very beautiful city. And what we have there is the Intercontinental and a very beautiful bridge. So nice. Hello, Praha at night. So beautiful. Hello guys. Nandito kami ngayon sa Prague Castle. I'll show you. See, it's so beautiful. And there's a lot of tourists around. See? Enjoying Prague so far. Tum, tum.
Lumalabas na sila. Ayun, nasa taas. Ayan yung mga apostles. Kita yun lumalabas. Kunin, pingin na lang video.
Last one to go.
Yeah.
Wala na lalabas doon. So, currently, I'm on the train going to Hamburg, Germany. And here's the view.
Countryside.
Hello guys, nandito kami ngayon sa loob ng ferry. So yung train namin pumasok sa ferry going to Denmark. So look at the view. So punta kami ngayon sa upper deck. So that's it. Thank you. Hello guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Princess Benedict na ferry.
Hi guys, yung mga naiwan ko dyan sa Pilipinas. Mag-iingat kayo palagi. Papadala na lang ako.
Yes. So beautiful.
Ang profile pic ko lang.
This the engine ba to? Engine? Wow.
Horizon.
Pero ako lang ha. Kahit na...
So beautiful.
Parang ano yun eh, no? Parang you're flying.
Hello guys, we're on the train heading to Bergen, Norway, and makikita nyo sobrang ganda ng view. I'll show you guys.
Vi ankommer Finse om 5 til 6 minutter. Avstigning venstre side. We will arrive at Finse in about 5 to 6 minutes. Platform on the left.
So katatapos pa lang ng winter, kaya natutunaw pa lang yung mga ice, pero sobrang ganda.
Nahulog! Log!
Ayan na! Ayan na!
Wow!
Nakuha na mo yun?
Oh, yeah.
Hindi, yung lumipad sila?
Yes.
Nice! Sige ang Candice, kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan, Ney. Girl, kuha ka lang, girl.
Ay, ikaw naman, Mau.
Hindi, okay na, may picture na ako.
Hello everyone, nandito kami ngayon sa Aker Brygge dito sa Oslo, Norway. And Aker Brygge pala to. Ano? Aker Brygge. And sumakay kami sa boat. Mag-iikot lang siya and let me show you the view. See you later! Hello guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Brussels, Belgium. And let me show you the place. There. It's nice, right?